Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create quiz on Instagram Reel. First, let's go onto Instagram. Once on the app, you're going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner, like you'll normally do to create a reel. Then select Reel. And from here, you can choose to either record a reel or you can upload one from your gallery. Let me record one quickly. Then tap on next. Then I'll remove the sound. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the sticker icon, which would be the icon right beside the 3 stars. And you will see the option quiz. You're going to tap on that. And from here, you can add the question that you would like to ask. And you can also add the answers. As you can see right here, you can add the answers. And if you should tap on the dices right there, you can see some suggestions. And once you're finished, you will tap on done in the top right hand corner. And that's it. That's how to create a quiz on Instagram Reels.